this word? What's that? Boy, very good. Next word. Let's read this word. What is this word? What's this? Very good. Car. Next word. What's this word? What's this? What's this word?
Ma.
Max. Very good. The next word. Max, can you read this? What's that word? Dog. Very good. This next word. Okay, it's okay. What's this word? Can you read it? What's this word? Mango. Very good. The next word. What's that word? Max, what's this word? Well, what is this word? What's that? What's that word? Max? Apple. How about this? This is your favorite. What is this? Apple. How about this word? What's this word? Cookie. Very good. Can you read this? What's that word? Lol. The next one. What's this word? Lula. Very good. This word. What's this word? Cookie? Okay. Okay. What's this word? Can you read this? Max, can you read this word? Cookie? Okay. What's this word? Can you read this?
Yummy.
Yummy. It's yummy. But what is this word? Can you read this? Max. How about the next word? Mama will write another word. What is this word? What's this word? Manhattan. Very good. What's this word? What's that? No more na? Okay, no more na.